Hey everyone, Brady Gerke from Worldwide Auctioneers, and next to me is one of our no reserve offerings that we'll be having at our upcoming 54th annual Auburn Auction and Show over Labor Day weekend. This is a 2022 Bentley Continental GTC Mulliner edition, and it is offered from the Lone Star Estate collection, which purchased this Bentley new and has owned it since. Now, not only is the Mulliner edition really special on this GTC, which stands for Gran Turismo Convertible, it was also the 2022 The Quail Motor Show display car for Bentley. So the Quail is an event that has taken place for the last 20 years at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. A lot of the automotive makes, and especially the high-end ones, will bring display cars to showcase some of their unique features. Being a Mulliner edition, it has many unique features. You got Mulliner badging on the side vents, a special diamond grille, hand stitch, cognac brown and black interior, as well as on the rear of where the convertible goes up and down. Now, as beautiful as the outside looks, the performance and interior is just as amazing. So let's go take it for a drive and check it out. Mulliner is an extension of Bentley. It's like their personal craftsman division. So you have the already beautiful and elegant Continental GTC, and then they send it to Mulliner and update it with more refined and elegant options on the car. As you can tell on the headrest here that say Mulliner. So one of the unique features for this 2022 Continental GTC is all the modern day amenities and updates. So on your dash, you've got your basic controls that has navigation, mood lighting throughout the entire cabin, a highly sophisticated Breitling clock right in the middle, an engine turned center console, and with the click of a button, the dash rolls away and you have 3 gauges that match the entire theme of the interior. One of the other unique features in this Bentley is the interactive seats. So you have a top of the line sound system, but the seats actually have bass boosters in them, so you can feel every song. And the seat belts adapt to how you drive, so they get tighter the quicker you get and can loosen up when you're on more of a cruising drive. The power and performance is as equally as good, as it sports a 4.0 liter V8 engine that produces a smooth 540 horsepower, which is more than enough to get one where they need to go in a short period of time. This example carries a clean CARFAX, and as I said earlier, just one owner from new, the Lone Star Estate collection. It's been very well taken care of, proper maintenance, and would surely be a delightful example to one's daily rotation of daily drivers or weekend cars, or simply displayed among a collection as its elegant look fits the bill. So if you're interested in this 2022 Bentley Continental GTC Mulliner, you can visit us at worldwideauctioneers.com, read the full description, see all the photos, and see all the other amazing no reserve offerings that we will be having Labor Day weekend in Auburn, Indiana. And we will see you there.